Now here we'll solve a problem. See, here minimize z given to you, that is minus 3x plus 4y. Subject to constraints are given x plus 2y less than equals to 8, 3x plus 2y less than equals to 12, x greater than equals to 0, y greater than equals to 0. Means both your LPP lies in a first quadrant. Now see, here this inequality given, so this inequality we have to write down into equality. After that we have to find out values of x and y. So if I will choose x 0, here if x 0, so y will be 4, and if I will choose y 0, so x will be 8. Similarly, we'll take second inequality, that will write down into equality form, which is equals to 12. And then we'll find out its coordinates x, y. If I put x 0, so 2y is equals to 12, so I'll get this value 6. If I put y 0, so here 3 4s are 12. Now see, what I will do, we'll place this both on a graph, and both are given greater than equals to 0, means they lies in a first quadrant. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very simple to plot it on a graph paper. See, x 0, 4. X is 0, y 4. So this is 0, 4. Now 8, 0. So this is 8, 0. Next is 0, 6. So 0 and 6 is at here. So first of all, let me draw this line to avoid a confusion. So this is your first element. Now see second one, 4, 0. X 4, y 0. So this is 4, 0. Now join this both. And when you will see, here my graph is not that much exact, but while you will join it, you will get exact intersecting point. And sometimes what will happen, you will have a little bit confusion how to find out this intersecting points of 2 or 3 lines, what many are given in a question. So that time what we have to do, in our rough part, we will find out just the solution of this line. So from here, because your graph, which graph paper you are having, on that graph paper you are having enough lines, so that easily you can count that many lines and you can find out this intersecting point. But here I don't have that, I am having total plain surface without any line. So here I have to find out intersecting point. So if I will solve these both lines, so x plus 2y is equals to 8. Again I am repeating, this step is not compulsory, but suppose you are having little bit confusion about this, so that time you just solve this both line. And this one is 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. So subtract. So now you have minus 2x is equals to minus 4. So x is 2. Substitute x value 2 here. So we'll get 2 plus 2y, which is equals to 8. So 2y is equals to 6. So y value is 3. So this corner point is 2, 3. But here I am not getting that exact one, because without using scale I have drawn. This point without solving these equations you may obtain on a graph paper, because while you are drawing it, that time you will use a ruler also, and on a sheet you are having all units at a equidistant. So that time it is not compulsory, that is why we will rub this. Now see, so what after this what we have to do, we have to find out corner points, and here z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y. Now our corner points are C. We have to find out after this feasible region. How we will find out feasible region? So see, it is less than equals to. So less than equals to means lower part. This one also less than equals to. So lower part. So this is our shaded region. And if it is not understood to you directly, what you will do? Put here 0, 0. If you will put 0, 0 here, so you will get 0 less than equals to 8, which is true. If it is true, so it is towards origin. Here also if put 0, 0 here, so we'll get 0 less than equals to 2. Again 12, which is true. So this is also true. So it's a solution region is towards origin. So this is our shaded region. That also you have to shade properly using pencil, scale, everything. Now this region is called feasible solution. Here I am writing feasible solution or feasible region. Now after that we have to find corner points. How many corner points are there? This is 0, 4. Then after one corner point 0, 0. Then next corner point is 4, 0. And this is also corner points means what? Here we are getting one quadrilateral, pentagon, octagon, whatever object you are getting. So all its corner points we have to find out. So one more corner point we have, that is 2, 3. Now substitute this all values here in our function z is equals to minus 3x plus 4y. This is a given function. So if I substitute here, this is 0. Now 4 value if I substitute, 4 4s are 16. Now here 0. 4 substitute here, so minus 12. Here minus 3 2s are minus 6. 4 3s are 12. So answer is 6. Now what you want? Minimize z. So minimum value is minus 12. So here you will write minimize z. So therefore at 4, 0 function is minimize and x is equals to 4, y is equals to 0. After that we have to write down minimum value. So we'll write down that this answer will be continued here. Its minimum value is minus 12 and x is equals to 4, y is equals to 0 is optimal solution. So this way you have to complete this question. It is a 4-mark question. In 4 mark, one question you are going to get 100%, which you have to plot on.